Hi, I'm Mickey Tameifuna. I'm a realtor here in Huntington Beach, California. First, I want to thank you so much for watching my frequently asked questions series. We've covered buying, selling, lending, credit, showings, and now we're moving into a big one. What happens during escrow? In this series, I'll walk you through disclosures, inspections, repairs, timelines, and what's happening behind the scenes so nothing catches you off guard. My goal is simple. I want you to feel informed, confident, and I want this to be a memorable experience. You're buying a new home, so let's get started. So, what is escrow anyway? Escrow is the time period between when the offer is accepted and when the keys are officially exchanged. During escrow, we verify everything: the property condition, the price, the loan, the paperwork, and the timeline. Think of it as the safety zone where both the buyer and seller are protected while everything is double checked. This is where the real work happens behind the scenes. During escrow, you will receive disclosures from the seller. These are documents where the seller shares what they know about the home, things like past repairs, improvements, and any known concerns like noise, shared boundaries, or details that may affect the sale. It's not meant to scare you. It's meant to inform you and help you feel confident in your decision. My job is to help you review these documents, explain what matters, and flag anything that needs follow-up. During escrow, you'll have a home inspection. There are 3 inspections that happen at this appointment. There's my inspection, your inspection, and the inspector's inspection. This is when a professional checks the home's major systems: roof, plumbing, electrical, foundation, heating, and more. You'll get a detailed report, and yes, it's typically a long report. The best part is the inspector walks you through the home and explains how everything works, kind of like a live user manual for your new home. You can ask questions, learn the features, and understand what's normal versus what's a concern. During escrow, you can negotiate repairs or a credit. If the inspection finds issues, that's where negotiations can happen. You might ask for repairs, a credit, or a price adjustment, or sometimes decide everything is acceptable as is. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. My role is to help you understand your options, protect your interests, and negotiate strategically on your behalf. During escrow, while inspections are happening, your lender is working too. They'll order an appraisal to confirm the home's value and finalize your loan approval. We also track something called contingencies. This is your investigation period and the time built in to keep everything on schedule. Once you completed your investigations, you remove your contingencies in writing. That's the formal way of saying, I'm moving forward and I don't plan on canceling. Once those are removed, we're very close to the finish line. Toward the end of escrow, we'll schedule your final walkthrough. This is your chance to make sure the home is in the same condition and that any agreed upon repairs are complete. I talk more about all of these steps in my video, 10 Steps to Buying a Home. If you'd like a buyer consultation, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to answer questions and walk you through your options. And thank you so much for watching this series called What Happens During Escrow. I truly appreciate you being here. Escrow can feel overwhelming, but it can actually be a memorable experience.